Sanoculis is a medical device startup company in the field of ophthalmology, developing a novel technique called minimally invasive microsclerostomy, or in short, MIMS, for the treatment of glaucoma. The way to treat glaucoma begins with medicines in order to control the IOP, and subsequently, if the medicines do not work, next stage is surgical intervention to control the IOP, and this is what Sanoculis would like to replace. MIMS is designed to overcome the safety and complication issues related to highly invasive current procedures such as trabeculectomy and tube shunts. MIMS is far less invasive as a trabeculectomy, and in this way spares the neighboring tissue, and in this way overcome wound healing and scarring problems. MIMS potentially can replace trabeculectomy and all the emerging minimally invasive glaucoma surgery devices. Because of its simplicity and inexpensive, it can also replace some of the anti-glaucoma medications, solving a major problem of compliance and side effects, and also can help with the and make lower the running costs on the Chinese health system. Those advantages can bring the MIMS technique and device to become the new gold standard for treating glaucoma. Glaucoma is a prevalent chronic disease worldwide, affecting 1% of the population, and because of that, the Chinese market is big and important, and Sanoculis would like to provide its novel technique and to try help to reduce the burden on the healthcare system in China. Sanoculis would like to conduct a post-market study in China in order to introduce the MIMS advantages concurrently to introducing those advantages in the Europe market. Sanoculis wishes to partner with a strategic partner in China in the field of ophthalmology in order to assist in distribution of the technology and the dissemination of the technology.